It's a hot one, 90 degrees. We're gonna hit the trails anyway. Before we get started, we're gonna go over the newest upgrade to the bike. Race face pedals. As you can see, these nice little knobby grips here. With the stock pedals, my feet kept slipping off going downhill. Let's see if this improves it. We're back in the Rattlesnake, but we're going to do a different route today. Different trail. I've done it before. It's a lot steeper climb up. Going through this tall grass first, and then we'll get into the woods. I am greatly appreciating the shade here. It's nice. That was a bumpy section. About to get real steep. Okay, so I'm at the base of the real steep climb, and this heat is really hitting me. So I've got some changes coming to the channel. A little bit of more focus on what kind of message I want to get across, and kind of a new direction I'm going to be going. In the short term, I've been watching videos on the Continental Divide Trail. Now let me get this straight. I'm in no way, shape, or form ready to do this year. However, a very scenic portion of it cuts right through my backyard here in Montana. I'm thinking with enough dedication, perseverance, I could probably hit a very small section and get into bike packing. So this is going to be a small introductory undertaking of experiencing bike packing in a very small dose. I'm thinking 3 days, 2 nights from Big Fork to Missoula, down the Sealy Swan Valley. Thanks to years of collecting backpacking camping gear, I have most of what I need. There are a few things that are specific to bikes, but not a whole lot that I'm going to have to get. The goal is, and I haven't quite picked out the route yet, to go between 60 and 100 miles across 3 days, highly doable, and to spend 2 nights somewhere along the trail. There's plenty of camping opportunities along the way, a lot of beautiful places. And I think it goes without saying, I do plan on documenting this journey. So stay tuned. That being said, let's climb this hill. Look at that. This hill is relentless. And this heat doesn't make it any easier. Yep. I'm gonna take a breather here real quick. I just want to add, there's also absolutely no breeze today. Finally, a stretch of level area. I have done that section more than a few times. That was the most brutal uphill. Definitely earned my hammock time today. All right, at the top. So it was about 5 years ago when I first discovered the Continental Divide Trail. It's the longest off-road bike path in the world, spanning from Canada all the way down to Mexico. So I'm planning to do this late August, early September. That way I still have a little bit of summer left, but it won't be extremely hot like it is right now. I'm not gonna lie, this hammock is nice. Speaking of hammocks, I will exclusively be camping in my hammock. I do have a tent set up for it. The only caveat will be my stopping points will have to include trees. But it's a light setup and it's extremely comfortable. Finally got a breeze. This is very enjoyable. If you don't already have a hammock, I highly recommend you get one. So stay tuned as I'm in the early planning stages of this trip. I'm hoping to have more details soon. But like I said, preliminarily I'm thinking Big Fork to Missoula. Lots of beautiful scenery, lots of camping opportunity, and a lot of off-road trails. All right, it's time to head down. The downhill begins. Expecting that. Whew. That was a blast. Great trail.